Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Sure. Rotating vectors is a common operation in various fields such as physics, computer graphics, and robotics. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to rotate vectors using numpy, a powerful library for numerical computations in Python. Understanding vector rotation. In 2D space, to rotate a vector by an angle theta, in radians, we can use the following rotation matrix. \r, \theta, equals \begin b matrix. \cos, \theta, and \sin, \theta, \sin, \theta, and \cos, \theta. End b matrix. Given a vector math v equals begin b matrix x y end b matrix the rotated vector math v can be obtained by multiplying the rotation matrix r theta with the vector math v math v equals r theta math v using numpy for vector rotation. 1. Import numpy. First, ensure you have numpy installed and import it. 2. Define the vector, create the vector you want to rotate. 3. Define the angle, specify the angle of rotation in radians. 4. Create the rotation matrix, compute the rotation matrix based on the angle. 5. Perform the rotation, multiply the rotation matrix with the vector. Code example. Here is a complete code example that demonstrates how to rotate a 2D vector using numpy. Explanation of the code. 1. Rotate _vector function takes a 2D vector and an angle, in radians, as inputs. Constructs the rotation matrix using the cosine and sine of the given angle. Uses np ... to multiply the rotation matrix with the input vector to get the rotated vector. 2. Example usage. Defines a vector, 1, 0, and rotates it by 90 degrees, pi/2 radians. Prints the original and rotated vectors. Output. When you run the above code, you should see the following output. Conclusion. In this tutorial, you learned how to rotate a 2D vector using numpy by constructing a rotation matrix and applying it to the vector. You can easily modify the angle to rotate the vector by different amounts, and this method can be extended to 3D rotation with additional considerations for the axis of rotation.